Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today I emptied out my fridge, took out some of my leftovers, or most of my leftovers that I have. If you're like me, your refrigerator gets packed and packed and packed with leftovers, and sometimes you just don't know what to do with them, and they wind up going bad, and you throw them out. I know everybody has that problem. So what we're going to do is an easy way how to turn those leftovers into a quick, easy meal. Guys, my leftovers are here. So quesadillas is very quick, and you could pretty much do anything with them, and it's easy. It's just like making a grilled cheese. Pretty much that's all it is. So I got some leftover cheeseburgers, which I'm gonna make a cheeseburger quesadilla. Okay, I got some chicken, which we're gonna make a traditional chicken quesadilla, and I got some leftover sauce, which I'm going to make a pizza quesadilla because I got some leftover mozzarella cheese from making pizza. So before the cheese goes bad and everything else goes bad, we're going to use it. It's going to be a quick dinner. 1, 2, 3, boom, 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 and that's it. It will be ready. So cheeseburgers, I get this. For some reason, I always have tortillas in the fridge. I don't know why. Maybe, I'm a tortilla kind of guy, you know? So I'm going to put the tortillas over on the side. We're going to get our cheeseburgers, which are still good, you know what I mean? I made them a couple nights ago. But we're going to grab a knife here. We're going to chop them up. Chop up your cheeseburgers, like to make them in little pieces, you know. Because you don't want big pieces in your quesadillas. Weak hockey parents, football parents like to use paper plates, guys. Our cheeseburger's cut. I think one will do it. So we're going to, depends. Like if you have a lot of kids and you're just making cheeseburger quesadillas, then cut the 2 up. I'm only going to cut 1 up because it's only going to be me and you eating. I'm going to get my chicken breast. I'm just going to slice it. I like it nice and thin, guys. Especially with quesadillas, you always want your stuff nice and thin. Maybe a little thicker than that. Nice and thin. Nice cuts. Get another plate. Start a chicken on the plate. Taste it. Make sure it's not poison. Okay. Let's go. You got your chicken sliced. You got your cheeseburgers chopped. We want to get some lettuce. No, we're not going to put the lettuce inside it. We're going to put it on top of the cheeseburger. Stay with me here. You're going to love it, I'm telling you. We'll get some lettuce. All right, so get your lettuce, you know, rip some up. I like to do it, put it on edge. Straighten that out. All right, you straighten out your lettuce like that, and then you just slice it down. And your lettuce, when you never cut from the head. Always peel off the head first, and then cut it. I'm going to cut it nice and thin like that. Very nice. Because wait until you see what we're going to do with this. And again, always do all your chopping. Always get your mise en place done. That's always first, guys. You put your lettuce to the side. Boom. So watch what I do with the tomatoes now. I'm going to cut it in fourths. Alright. Now, I don't want the seeds in there, because if you put the seeds on it, it makes it mushy. You know what I mean? So we're going to get all the seeds out. And I'll show you how I did that. So look, you see how it comes around right here? And right here, you want to grab the knife right there and pull it back. And then just run your knife through it and come up. Boom. Nice and nice. I'll do it again for you. Okay? See how where the tomato is? The skin? Put your knife there. And you want to kind of like pull back on it. Okay? And just run your knife right through. Get all the guts out. And run your knife straight up. Boom. Then wipe out. You got to eat your tomatoes, okay? I want to introduce you to my tomatoes. This is Minnie, Mo, Jack, and Curly, okay? What you want to do is dice them. Just make julienne them. Alright? Get there. Oh! And then just run your knife straight across. Don't have to be too big. You know what I mean? Boom. 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 Remember, guys, you could actually put the tomatoes inside. Like make a tomato quesadilla, which is really good. Very nice. It's like a grilled cheese with tomato, if you're into that thing. But we're going to do a cheeseburger quesadilla, which, wait until you see what I do for you. You can't have a cheeseburger without pickles, right? Look, don't you hate that when there's just like 2 pickles left? It's like, come on, guys, enough already. Why leave that in there? Come on. So the same thing with the pickle. See all the seeds, you're going to cut them out. You're just going to run your knife right up on them. Get them out of there. Oh, you still got more? You just run them out. Again, same thing. Okay? That's just going to gather some juice. Alright, so you got the seeds and all out. Just, you know, julienne them. Again, make sticks. Okay? And then dice. Oh, dice, baby! Oh! And just dice them. Boom, boom, boom. They don't have to be too small, you know what I mean? But you don't want big fat pieces of pickle. Then again, if you're into that big fat pickle thing, then you cut it your way. This is my way. Why leave this whole container in here with just 1 pickle? I mean, come on. And if you're like me, you cannot dump this out without taking a sip. And for those that like to drink, this is hangover juice. If you drink pickle juice, it works. Takes the hangover away. This is a nice treat to make on game day. You're watching the Flyers, watching the Eagles, which the Eagles are done now. You're gonna have a Super Bowl party, nice little small party, invite your friends over. Empty out the refrigerator with the leftovers. Make some quesadillas. They'll go crazy for them. We have everything chopped up, or you could say mise en place, okay? I'm going to take this over to the stove with the taco sauce, the grill sauce, and I'm going to bring the cheese over. And we're going to get set up, and it's time to cook. So you want to get a pan that's big enough for the tortilla, okay? Put your burner on like a medium-high. Get it nice and warm, just like a grilled cheese. Throw your tortilla down. We're going to make it traditional first with the chicken. So throw your tortilla down, grab your cheese, put your cheese in, okay? Kind of want to make a crust like pizza. You don't want to go all the way to the end because you want to hold it with something. You put a good amount of cheese, grab your chicken, throw your chicken down. It's nice and thin. Look at that, nice and thin. Good amount of chick. Alright, now my favorite, you could do it on the side, do it on the top. I like to put some taco sauce in there. Taco Bell taco sauce. They give you extra packets. We put it in a little squeeze bottle. So that's ready to flip. You make sure you got yourself a nice long spatula or whatever you have. So you get the spatula underneath. Fully underneath, spread your hand out because you got to flip quick because if you don't, all the cheese is going to fall out. So you flip, see how my hands are turned up so none of the cheese falls out. Then you just grab it and boom, and put it down. Now you let when we flip it, it's going to melt the other side of the cheese. It's going to heat up the chicken and cook the sauce with the chicken. This is going to be good. So when you flip it and your hand's on it, keep your pinky and your thumb up so it keeps everything from falling out. I like a nice crunch to my quesadilla, so I make it cook on air nice and get it nice and crispy. Nice and nice. This is what I like, huh? Very nice. So now you know the chicken. You heard that? Some of that cheese is coming out. You know the chicken was cold, but now from flipping it a couple times, it's going to be nice and warm. So we're going to flip that up. See that? That's perfect. Don't cut it right away. You want it to cool off a little bit, okay, before you cut it, because if you cut it right away, all the cheese is going to just run. It's going to be a mess. Okay, so our pan is cooking now. Now you got to move a little quick, because your pan is moving right there. Okay, so now we're going to do our cheeseburger one. Again, I'm going to use the cheddar cheese. It's your Mexican blend cheese. Okay, so now just stir some cheese. Get your cheeseburger, leftover cheeseburger, and just throw it around. A nice handful. Look at that, nicey nice. Put your cheeseburger on, spread it out real nice. I got a little bald spot there. Not yet, thank God. If you see a little bald spot, let's sprinkle some more cheese on top. Just a little bit. Put your cheeseburger to the side. Now get your other tortilla. Throw it on top. Your other quesadilla is cooking. You could cut this one up. You cut it like a pizza. And I cut it in eighths, just like a pizza. I like to spin it. I like to play with my food and eat it too. So, the cheeseburger is just about done, ready to go. I'm going to let that toast up. See that? This is what you want. This is what you want. That nice little crispness. That's what you want. That's what's going to separate the guys from the boys. Or the ladies from the girls. You know what I'm saying? Put nothing, absolutely nothing on your pan. No grease, no oil, nothing. You don't need it. Look at that. You grab it, you put that to the side. Now is going to be the pizza quesadilla. I don't know if that's a thing. I never had it. Throw some of that cheese right on there. Okay, remember what I said? Leave yourself some crust. You don't want the cheese all the way to the edge. We have our leftover sauce. We're just going to drop it on just little bits. Not too much. You don't want it too runny, but you want it yummy. You just want to kind of spread it out a little bit. Get the sauce all the way around. While that's doing that, we're going to throw some garlic powder on her. Boom. We'll throw some oregano on there. Boom. If you got pepperoni in your fridge, throw that pepperoni in there. Yummy yum. Boom. Look at that. Nice crisp, huh? That's what you want to look for. Nicey nice. Your pizza quesadilla, let that sit. And we're just going to cut it the same way. In the middle, turn in the middle, turn in the middle, turn. Make it in eighths. If you want it in fourths, keep it in fourths, guys. Let's get to plating. Right there we got our pizza. We're just going to put some parsley on there. Boom. You got to have some parsley with your pizza. We got your chicken traditional quesadilla. And with traditional quesadillas, you want some sour cream. We're going to put some sour cream on this side. Okay? You leave the spoon in there because you're going to want more sour cream. This is just a dip. We're going to put some of that on this side for dipping. Okay? Here's your traditional. Now, guys, here it goes. The cheeseburger. Grab your lettuce. Throw some lettuce on there. Okay? Throw your lettuce on there. Just throw it on there. When you get, well, throw them right on top. Not fancy, right? Get your tomatoes. Throw your tomatoes on there. I'm gonna put a little more of this. Let's put your tomatoes on there. Boom. You get some of your pickles on there. Nicey nice. Some pickles. Now, got your cheeseburger. Anybody that likes Big Macs? I don't have Big Mac sauce, but I got some Thousand Island dressing. So we're just going to throw some right on top. And that's your cheeseburger right there. Look at that. Huh? Look at that, guys. What do you think about that? You got your cheeseburger here. You got your pizza quesadilla. You got your traditional with the chicken and the taco sauce. Guys, this is leftovers. It looks like a new meal to me. That don't look like leftovers. How about you, huh? Try it. Quick dinner. refrigerator, you could put it anywhere you want. But watch where you put it, you know what I'm saying? No vandalism out there. So anyway, guys, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button, guys.